Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will resolve Google Ads disapprovals caused by unsupported languages. If you have received a notification that your advertisement was rejected, it is likely because your language settings do not align with Google's specific requirements. Let's work through these steps together to get your campaigns back online and running smoothly. To begin, you need to visit the official Google Ads website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner. Click it to continue. If you aren't already logged in, enter your account credentials to gain access. Now that you are logged in, you will be directed to your main Google Ads dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all your marketing efforts. From here, we need to find the Campaigns tab. Look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen and click on Campaigns. This section displays a complete list of every ad campaign you are currently running. Within this list, identify the specific campaign that has been disapproved. If you manage multiple campaigns, using a clear naming convention will help you find the right one quickly. Click on the name of the problematic campaign to open its detailed dashboard. With the correct campaign selected, the next step is to modify the language settings. Look at the left-hand sidebar again for a section labeled Languages. Click on this option to review your current settings. It is vital to ensure that only Google-supported languages are selected here. If your ad was flagged, it is probable that an unsupported language was accidentally checked. Go ahead and adjust these settings by unchecking any languages that are not supported, then save your changes. Double-check that your selections match your target audience and are fully approved by Google Ads. If everything looks correct, save your adjustments. This simple update should help reactivate your campaign, though it may take a short while for the status to update. Keep an eye on your notifications for any status changes. That is all there is to it. You have successfully updated your settings to resolve the disapproval. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert tips.